Here's a Glock 45 MOS. First things first, magazine is empty, nothing in the chamber. Okay, starting from the top, here's a Trigicon RMR mounted on a DPP titanium plate. It is 3.25 MOA, I believe. Then we have also Trigicon suppressor height night sights for 1/3 co-witness. A little bit lower, here's a Radiant ramjet and afterburner compensator. At the bottom we have a TLR 8A, very bright. Mag release, I have a Tyrant CNC. I think it's an aluminum mag release, which I'm planning to replace for a polymer one. In the back we have just a simple Texas back plate, if it'll focus. I have a cut back strap, wrapped with hockey tape so it doesn't bother me that much. It is cut up to right here so I can hold it well with no problem. At the bottom I have a Terran Tactical magwell to make it easier for reloads, and a +0 plate. That's how it looks like with the +0. And I also have a +5, also empty. This is how it looks like with the +5. The +5 does not lock back the slide unless you're pressing on the bottom. I guess the follower doesn't really go all the way up. On this one, it does lock back the slide. So, yeah. There it is, Glock 45 MOS.